Hey guys, this is Nick from ForexForNoobs.com with my midday analysis. If you enjoy this analysis and my other videos, hit the subscribe button below this video. Subscribing to my YouTube channel gives you an instant notification whenever I add a new video. Also, please hit the like button below if you find this video useful. So before I start the analysis, I want to explain how it works so you can actually use it in your trading. On most Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, I hold a live analysis session for my Forex Mastermind students. These sessions are recorded and posted to YouTube. I say most because some days I'm busy and other days I'm not trading, and I have a rule: when I'm not trading, I do not post analysis. In the analysis, I look for price action reversal setups on around 10 to 20 pairs that I'm currently trading. I check every time frame for every pair, taking a systematic approach to doing analysis. Personally, I do this analysis several times per day, but only the midday session is recorded as most setups are spotted then. So what are setups? A reversal setup occurs when price stalls at an area of support resistance and a transition of power occurs, from buyers to sellers or from sellers to buyers. I wait for price to approach these areas and spot potential setups. But these setups are not actual trades. When I share a setup on this analysis, it doesn't mean I'm entering the trade right away. Setups are just setups, and many setups do not trigger, so they never actually become trades. But some of them do, of course, and some of them become trades. To understand this, you have to know a little bit about my strategy, which I share for free on ForexForNoobs.com, and there's a link to the strategy also below. I use 4 different tags in the name of these analysis videos. The tags are in brackets at the end of the name. It's important to know these tags just so you understand what is in the video. So if you see no setups, that means there are no setups today, obviously. If you see upcoming setups on, that means there are no setups, but I have spotted some very strong support resistance areas, which may lead to setups later in the day. So that could be anywhere between a few hours to a whole day. And if it's tagged with setups on, that means there are setups today, and I'm sharing potential trades in the video itself. So let's get started with the analysis. Today is Tuesday, the 23rd of May, 2017, and the time is 13:12 here in the UK. We don't have that much time today. We're starting a bit late because of a few technical issues, so we don't have that much time left. So I'm just going to kind of like blitz through this. So this is going to be some fast analysis. I'm just going to blitz through everything. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, AUD CAD, what's going on with AUD CAD? Well, first things first, it's already reversing. Nice little reversal trade here that triggered on Monday. I missed the trade. Well, not really. I generally don't trade on Mondays. I mean, these days, like in winter, I would be trading on Mondays a lot more often, but it's getting towards summer and we've had a few hot days. And because I live in the UK, those hot days are rare. So I tend to kind of give myself long weekends. So I was out enjoying the sun yesterday, and I wasn't really paying much attention to work because I consider trading work. So when you're out enjoying the sun, having a barbecue, last thing you want to do is work. So yeah, I didn't catch this, but this was a good little trade. Now there's very, very few people in here because we're having some technical difficulty with the emails. So I'm doubting that I'm going to get a response to this one, but has anyone entered long on AUD CAD? Well, I don't doubt a response, I doubt a yes response. It doesn't look like anyone's typing. Oh, Mancool is typing. Yeah, yeah, everyone's having problems logging in, man. But I don't think anyone's gotten into this trade, so I guess we could just skip it. But it was a good little trade on the 8-hour chart. So let's go on to AUDJPY. What's going on with AUDJPY? AUDJPY is reversing. Not really a trade that I would want to take. That indecision candle was absurdly big. So yeah, nothing really going on here. Nothing that I would trade at the moment. AUD New Zealand, what's going on with AUD New Zealand? It is headed towards this major support area. This is a strong support area for AUD New Zealand, the 1.0640. or there around that area. Pretty strong support area, very strong support area. Price has not been down here since the start of the year, so we've got like 3 months since it came up. So basically 3 months ago, came up through here, bam, continued up, it made an attempt here, got rejected, an attempt here, got rejected. So now it's going for the next attempt. What's going to happen this time? Well, we got a few possibilities. It could do this, or it could break below and come back up and then continue down. So we can have a trade in either scenario. And there's always the possibility that it's just going to break through and go straight down. I mean, we're not for sure going to get a trade here, but we could be looking at a potential counter trend reversal or a potential continuation reversal here. So keep an eye on that. This could be pretty decent. AUD New Zealand, keep an eye on this 1.0640 level. AUDUSD, now this one is somewhat interesting. Why is this one interesting? Can anyone guess? Actually, let's not bother, there's only 5 people in here. So I don't think we'll play the can anyone guess game because we're not going to get that many responses. This email issue is annoying. This webinar has like 1/10 of the normal attendance, which is crazy. So what I am seeing here is a downtrend. This is a bearish trend. We are in a bearish trend right now. Now you could argue that the bearish trend has been broken. So you could argue that it's been broken and now it's trending up. Very easily argue that by placing a trend line, blah, blah, blah. But you know, I'm not gonna say yet that the downtrend has been broken. I'm not ready to say that. What I am looking at is price is still potentially trending down and we can get into a pretty awesome continuation reversal here. So we could get something like this happening. Now, at the moment, we're clearly seeing buyers in control and it's very possible that this trend's going to continue up. So it's very possible that we're going to get something like this, right? I wouldn't be surprised. But I also wouldn't be surprised if price stalls here over the next 24, 48 hours and then continues down. So either scenario is possible. I want to be prepared for either scenario, right? Because that's what a good trader should do. I don't like it when traders try to predict what price is going to do. You know, in a situation like this, I honestly believe that most traders, or all traders, they don't know what price is going to do. So I don't know what price is going to do. It can continue up, it can continue down. I'm going to be prepared for either scenario. If it continues up, then I've got a game plan for that. If it continues up, then I'm going to wait for it to sink back down a little bit and then possibly go long like that. If it stalls out here, then I'm going to go short in line with the trend. So, you know, there's a lot of possible scenarios here and I want to be prepared for all of them. This 0.7500, or right now it's 0.7494, but it's pretty much the cycle level here. It's a cycle level, the 0.7500. It's a major cycle level. It's a strong area. This is a strong area of support and resistance. So this could give us a very good trade either way. Either way, we could get a trade here. We could get a reversal this way, could get a continuation like this. So we just have to wait and see how it plays out. But this is a strong area and there's a lot of potential here. So keep a very close eye on this one, guys. 0.7500, close eye on it. AUDUSD, this is so far my top pick for the week. And it's a great pair, AUDUSD. Anyway, let's continue. EURUAUD. EURUAUD is already pushing down. You know, there's already a reversal here. Like I said, I was being a bit lazy, so I haven't really taken a trade here. Is anyone short on this? Anthony, you were saying, wait, let me go back to that real quick. 6 hour AUDUSD. Well, yeah, but the 6 hour showed an indecision candle and now it's continued up. So any potential trade there that you were looking at from this indecision candle is invalid. It's been invalidated by that move up. So this is no longer in play here, this indecision candle. So let's just keep an eye on it on the daily. Going back to EURUSD, it's trending, it's sorry, not trending down, it's trending up, but we're seeing a counter trend reversal here. I haven't entered. It's too late to enter even if you wanted to, so there's not much we can do here. All right, EuroCAD, what's up with EuroCAD? Just stalling out on resistance. Nothing much there. Euro GBP. It's broken above resistance, stalling. Nothing that I see here that I would actually want to trade. Let's take a look at Euro JPY. Again, broken above resistance. There's nothing much here that looks tradable to me. Nothing that shouts out, you should be in a position. Euro New Zealand, very similar to AUD New Zealand at the moment. So AUD New Zealand is trending down. Euro New Zealand is trending down. Looks like it might hit this area. Potential reversal here. It's worth keeping an eye on, but it's nothing to get terribly excited over. EURUSD, where is it? Where is it? That's what we're up to. EURUSD. Now, there was a short trade here yesterday. Some people took it. Well, I had a conversation on WhatsApp with a student that took it. So, yeah, it looks like it's going kind of well. Counter trend reversal, so it looks like it's going kind of well. I'm not in this, so yeah, I don't really know. There's not much to say about it now. It's just in the beginnings of, it's just the beginning point of this trade, so there's not really that much to look at. Just wait and see if it goes down. GBP AUD is trending down. It's broken the support area. Again, nothing much to trade there. It's just trending down. All right, GBP CAD. What is going on with GBP CAD? GBP CAD has broken above resistance. It's come back down to it. So potential for a continuation reversal, but it's just so messy. You know, the first thing you do when you look at a potential trade is you look to the left, because what you see to the left is going to give you an indication to what's going to happen next time it pushes through that area. This is just completely messy. So if we were to go long here, it would probably be several days of that kind of like crappy movement. Not something I'm interested in, so GBP CAD off the table. All right, GBP CHF headed down, hitting the support area. It's already stalling at the support area. I guess it's worth keeping an eye on, but this is nothing I'm too interested in. I don't really like this pair. I just have it open because some of you guys ask me to check it out every now and then. GBP JPY, nothing much going on. It's just ranging on the support area. So nothing much happening there. GBP USD, let's see what's going on with that. It is, again, just ranging. So it broke out of the range last week and now it's just fallen back into a new range. Exciting stuff with GBP USD. All right, New Zealand CAD. Broken above resistance, nothing too exciting there. New Zealand JPY broken above resistance, just kind of trending up a little bit. Again, nothing too exciting here. Boring day. New Zealand USD. Now this actually looks decent. Let's check it out on the daily. All right, this one has me interested. Hitting this strong resistance area. This is a strong resistance area. It's held price back for, yeah, for like 3 months now. No, sorry, 2 months. It's held back some pretty decent moves. This one here, that one there. So let's see what's going to happen now. I mean, it could very well stall out. This is another one where we have multiple game plans here. We could have something like this, or we could have something like this. So watch this area closely, the 0.7050. Watch this area closely. This could be a very, very nice setup here. I'm going to keep a close eye on it. Move it to the top of the list. USD CAD, in between support resistance, nothing much happening. USDCHF, stalling out on top of this support area. Now this looks pretty decent. Whoa, look at the 12-hour. This is a strong move down, but it looks like it's finally stalling. This is interesting. We could potentially get a long trade here. This looks like we're seeing the start of a bullish reversal. Let's keep a very close eye on this, very close eye. Let's see how the 12-hour closes in 8 hours and 34 minutes. Let's see how the daily closes at the end of the day. So that's going to be at the same time. This 12-hour candle is going to close at the end of the day, as is the daily candle, obviously. Let's see how these close. This is interesting. Curious about this one. Potential long trade on USDCHF. USD-JPY. It's just ranging on a support area, maybe resistance because it's broken below and come back up to it. Whatever. Okay, so what is looking good today? AUDUSD is on strong resistance. We have potential for a short reversal depending on what happens here, or a long reversal if it breaks above it and comes back down to it. So keep a close eye on AUDUSD. Keep a close eye on New Zealand USD for a similar type of thing, either a short reversal trade, or if it breaks above it and comes back down, a long continuation reversal. USDCHF, we have a potential trade forming here. This one is the most likely to trigger soon. So we're going to be watching this candle in 8 hours and 30 minutes, see how it closes, and potentially take a long trade there. Any questions, guys? Thanks for watching the analysis. I hope it was useful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button below. Also, for instant notifications when I post analysis or other cool videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Once the setups I share in this analysis trigger, I post live updates as I manage the trade, such as my entry, exit, stop, and when to get out of the trade. For these updates, add me on Facebook or Twitter by clicking the buttons below. I'll see you in the next video.